never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I'll never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in.
I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo sahabat saya, salam satu hobi. Oke sahabat saya, ya, ini adalah jenis tanaman cemara atau bonsai cemara ya. Jadi di sini dia ini saya program nempel di batu ya, nempel di batu atau ya, nama istilahnya on the rock ya. Jadi ini dulunya sudah jadi ya. Terus dia itu patah ya, jatuh patah. Jadi di sini saya siasati kita kasih besi ya untuk dalamnya ini saya kasih besi, jadi supaya buat penompang supaya kuat saja ya. Dan ini untuk tempelannya adalah jenis cemara. Ini sepertinya dikasih moss ya, dikasih moss atau lumut, cuman kita susah untuk cari lumutnya ya. Jadi sementara seperti ini aja dulu ya, nanti kalau sudah mendapatkan lumut atau moss, ini udah kelihatan bagus ya. Oke, untuk hasilnya kurang lebih seperti ini ya. Ini saya bikin untuk yang ini ada di video yang sebelumnya ya, bikin bebatuan ini ya, beberapa waktu yang lalu saya bikin, udah mengeras, bisa saya tempelin jenis cemara. Oke, hasilnya seperti ini sobat saya. Jadi di sini memang sengaja saya kasih kosong ya. Kalau saya kasih banyak, saya kasih lagi di sini kelihatannya kayak penuh ya, jadi kurang begitu menarik. Jadi cuman saya kasih cuman beberapa, cuman kita penataannya aja supaya dia terlihat penuh gitu aja. Jadi kalau kita kasih di sini ya, dia terlalu penuh. Jadi menurut saya ya, kalau terlalu penuh bebatuannya nggak terlihat, malah kurang begitu bagus. Oke sahabat saya, untuk hasilnya kurang lebih seperti ini. Mudah-mudahan untuk video kali ini bisa bermanfaat, bisa menginspirasi khususnya buat sahabat saya yang suka dengan program-program bonsai on the rock atau panorama lah istilahnya ya, panorama. Oke, terima kasih. Jangan lupa untuk like, share, komen, dan juga subscribe-nya agar sahabat saya tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari saya. Oke, terima kasih, sampai jumpa di video saya berikutnya, dan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tetap semangat, terus berkarya, dan salam bonsai mania.